Hey friends, and welcome back to Artistry and Cards. I'm Jessica, and today we're kicking off something super fun, patriotic, and a little competitive too. This video is part of a huge 1,000 4th of July digital stamp challenge I have going on right now in my Etsy store, which is jlmould.etsy.com. So here's the challenge. I created two brand new digital stamps. One is a border collie on the right, and one is an adorable pug, both themed for 4th of July. Now, on my Etsy store, each digital stamp is only $1 for a limited time. But here's the fun part. I want to see which one's going to sell out to see if people are Team Border Collie or if you are Team Pug. They're absolutely both adorable, though. I'm just going to say that. So my goal is to sell those. We'll see which one will go first. And during this time, just know that digital stamps, if you've never used them before, they're perfect for card making, scrapbooking, summer craft projects. You can print them out huge and have your kids color them, handmade gifts, and so much more. And I do appreciate you helping me with this challenge because it does support handmade artwork and original small business creativity. So I appreciate that. Now, here's the thing. Because they're instant downloads, you can craft right after you go ahead and finish shopping. So in today's video, I'm focusing on the adorable Border Collie design. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to color him. And one cool technique that I love on here, so you may not know it, but when you buy a digital stamp, you can print them on cardstock or anything you want. But one of the things I've been doing is I've actually been printing them on sticker paper. So I found some really cool sticker paper, which I'm going to be sharing in my next video. If you are interested, comment down below and I'll send you the link so that you can find out what sticker paper it is. And it works so good. So I print it off, and the cool part is it's already got full sticky on the back. So when I go to put it in my card, I don't even have to think anymore. So comment down below that you want to know sticker paper. And when you do that, I'll go ahead and send you the link for that. Now, with this, we're going to go ahead and I am going to show you some coloring. And you can see the cool part is it colors just like normal. Absolutely love that. Now, if you've never used a digital stamp before, what's really cool about them is you can download them right away, print them at home, resize them as needed, and start coloring right away. So the process of ordering, download, print it, if you have everything already set up, it can probably take you all of a minute to get working, which I love because there are sometimes when I see a design that I want to work with and then I have to wait for it. And then I'm like, no, I don't want to wait. I want to craft right away. So one of the things I'm currently working on, so this will be the start of it, and this is my announcement to it. Not only am I going to be doing more designs, I am also in the process right now of creating a video for every Saturday. So my goal going forward right now is going to be to launch a new video on Saturday. Now, I'd love to hear from you because Saturday is my plan. If there's a different day of the week that you think would be a better day for you guys to watch, maybe like Friday or Thursday, go ahead and comment that down below. My goal for right now is going to be a new video every Saturday here on Artistry and Cards. And it can be anything, but I do plan on always making sure it is a card video where I'm making a card. But the design content could be a little of anything, right? So that's kind of my goal. As I go through and do this, so if you are somebody who makes handmade cards like craft fairs or anything like that, could you use this image? 100%. So if you are downloading it, making a card, making some kind of something like that, the only thing I ask is just that you put on there that it was an image from Jessica Lynn Original. And the big thing is, though, is it's a digital stamp, so you're not allowed to resell it or redistribute the file itself. Please know I do copyright all my imagery and artistry, so please know that that is part of the legal registry. So please don't resell this. Please don't do anything like that. But if you are thinking about making cards so you can sell this at a craft fair, by all means, please. And I would love to see what you make. When you put it out on like Instagram or any location, put the hashtag Jessica Lynn Original, and then I'll be able to see it. And I'll be really honest, seeing your designs is really one of the things I love about being an artist and owner of a stamp company, because I can draw something or design something and I have so many ideas for it, but it's so much fun to see the ideas that you have to use the image for. So I love seeing that. So please go ahead and put that hashtag on there so I can see it. All right, so you can see I'm just coloring them in. I'm gonna do like a gray blue instead of a bright blue, because I want the dog to stand out a little bit more. But I thought it'd be fun to do this challenge. I am in the process. Not only do I have JessicaLynnOriginal.com, but I also own JLMOULD.etsy.com. And I used to only do custom stamps out there. And I love Etsy as well. I miss old school Etsy. I've been on there since 2007, which is crazy. But with that being said, I want to go ahead and just make sure we have our kind of presence known out there as well. So by ordering one of these, again, it only costs you $1. And what I plan on doing is I want to go ahead and it will help my store. Very similar to, watching this video and liking it. It will help the algorithm find me on Etsy more. So I want to go ahead and, see which one of these images people prefer. It'll help me know which kind of designs to create for my next series of rubber stamps. And I love to do some testing when I start designing. And so by doing that, I'm offering you guys a good deal, $1 for the stamp. And then it helps me know, okay, people like border collies more than pugs or vice versa. So if you are either of those dog moms, please go out and get those. And I'll be doing more as the summer goes on, and it'll be to compare each breed of dogs. So definitely, if you aren't already, if you got to my website, JessicaLynnOriginal.com, you can sign up for my mailing list, and then I'll be sending out notices as to when those will come out all summer. And like I said, the first one is going to be the border collie versus the pug, which is super fun. And I guess since I'm just sort of talking with you guys while we're just creating, and this is just, I was testing out this image. Some of the other things I'm working on right now, I'm working on revamping the website. So it'll be the same stamps that you've always had, but I want to go in and use a little bit of AI to adjust the images to how they look. Just because I think they can produce some, like for example, the border collie versus pug. I love the way that looks. It's fun. It's a great image, but the actual stamps themselves are mine. I just use it to create better images for the listings. So I'll be updating that. A bunch of my digital stamps that I currently have will be going away. I like to round robin them. So if there are any that you're looking for, I would highly encourage you to head out there and get those within the next couple days. I'm planning on removing a bunch, getting new ones, designing some new imagery. And I am also still working on my children's book. So I had started on it, wrote the whole story, got it copyrighted, did all that good stuff and started illustrating, and then just sort of stopped. I had some family issues that prevented me from doing that. And so one of my goals for this year is to go ahead and get that book done. I've already started doing some illustrations, and I've been recording videos along the way that I'll be able to share with you guys, but I wanted to get at least halfway through it before I started sharing videos, because last time I hadn't started, and I feel like it sort of defeated me because I felt like it was too much to handle. So I didn't keep moving on that, which I'm sure you guys can understand that. I mean, it was just a lot with, being a mom, trying to do daily things. And then you add in trying to get, illustrations for the book, and coloring. So I decided to see if I could get at least halfway done before I start sharing videos. So that will be coming soon. So definitely watch for that. Again, this card is not a very difficult card. More than anything, I just wanted to color in the border collie so we could take a look and see how he looked, which I think he looks adorable. I cannot wait to see the cards you guys create. So I just want to say, if you love this border collie digital stamp, be sure to go to our Etsy shop, because it is not in JessicaLynnOriginal.com. It is in Etsy. So JLMOULD.etsy.com. And the instant download is available right now. So definitely go take a look at that. By the way, don't forget to go ahead, like this video, comment which one is your favorite, the pug or the border collie. Be sure to subscribe so you get new crafting videos every Saturday. And then be sure to share this video with all of your friends. and I cannot wait to see what you guys create. So thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again soon.